So this compressor, just to see how much it weighs, because man, it's heavy to carry. Can you see that? 30, old school scale, but roughly 34 kilo. Which is just over 5 stone. Don't know what that means for you Americans. I think there's roughly 2 pounds to a kilo, so say 65, 70 pound. You guys really need to work on the metric system. There's a good reason that the rest of the world uses it, okay? But anyway, 32 kilos. What is inside it? Lots of copper. Lots of copper. That's what we want. Lots of copper. So we can melt it. Okay, so heavy ass compressor. Compressor, we were right. Single phase, 220 volt, 50 hertz, which is Australia's power rated. So you plug it in, oil, blah 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 blah, phase arrangement, blah blah blah, injury hazard, shock hazard, explosion or fire hazard. That sounds exciting. Blah blah blah, burn hazard, right. We've pulled this little thing off. Get those wires out. And you can see it's been pinched closed, so what we're going to do is pop that open. It's probably full of oil, so we'll get all that oil out of there. Maybe that's a lot of the weight, or maybe there's a heap of copper in there. Dun 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 dun. That's what we'd like. Cool. Alright, well, let's see if we can put a hole in it and see if it's full of oil. And look at this, I'm going to put a camera in the vise. Oh, it's not going to be good for the vise, but yeah. Maybe, I don't know. Alright, let's unpinch this pipe. How are we going to unpinch the pipe? I'm not sure. Maybe we'll just drill a hole in the pipe. Does sound the easiest. You know what? Where are my safety goggles? My retro ones will do. Just in case the oil just comes spewing out of here. I doubt it's pressurized, but not sure yet. I could do it here, but yeah, we're cool. Oh. No, we're not. I was just thinking I could put that there, drill there, any oil, but if this is full, that's not big enough. We'll keep going for the top and we'll just see if there's oil for starters. Through for shizzle. Probably not going to see this bit, but oh shit! Well, it doesn't seem to be oil, but it's probably locked inside of it. So probably need to put another hole. Finally got a pair of multi-grips. There's definitely a reason they've pinched these off, so it has to have oil in it. I don't know anything about this. I haven't pulled one apart, but oh shit! Ow! I'm sure that they have. They're just full of oil. Oh, I did it again, but not as bad. Pop. Copper. Right, now, if there's oil in it, it's gonna come out. Well, you know what? There's nothing coming out. What's up with that shit? I just know that this is a trap. We've done that, we've tipped it over, no oil's coming out of it, but at some stage I'm going to do something and oil is just going to piss out everywhere. I bet you. Put money on it. And it'll be right at the time I'm thinking about boobs. I can guarantee. So I'm not really ready. Enclosed unit, we'll have to grind that off. Maybe cut that off. Cutting would be a bad idea if it's full of oil though. Should I be using a cutting disc for this or a grinding disc? Should I be cutting the weld or grinding the weld, or should I just cut the lid? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get through it with one disc, but let's do it. Okay, so I've been cutting a bit and there is oil in it. I just missed a heap on the floor. Whoa! Whoa, 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 now we've got... I told you, oil was going to go everywhere. There's some rack. It was all good, it was coming out one spot, but then it started coming out of that pipe we cut off. God, how much is on the ground? Yeah, so there is a bit in there. It's not full, but... Whoa, 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 Jesus. Well, I'll drain the oil out and I'll come right back. Back with the compressor. Now, there's most of the oil, some of it's in the carpet, but not really a lot there. Not going to be what's giving this thing all its weight. I've managed to crack the top. Did actually grind too far there, but hey, we don't even know what's in there, so let us crack that top off. Whoa. See what we get. Oh, Jesus. Ready to go. Right, there's what's in the top. She's pretty thick. That looks like just the weight in the end. Oh, there's a bit of oil there. Weird. Yeah, I don't know, look. Oh. It's like the breather hole's there. It's like, it's coming out there. Anyway, let's clean the oil off a bit. And what the hell do we do with that? It's steel, right? It does feel lighter. Well, how do you tell if something's iron? Best way I know is to get a great big stonking magnet. Oh, yep. Good boy. So that's steel. Can't do much with that. Yeah. Oh, oh, fuck. This is the bit with the weight in it. You can see I've ground it. I wasn't too sure, but just that bit there, you can see ground too far. And that is where we have lots of weight. How do we get that out? Oh, I don't think we do, champs. I have no idea. Got a thick casing. can't be just... It's like it's... Maybe if it was solid steel it would weigh that much, but I doubt it. There's some... See, there's like a weld mark there. Some down the bottom, like maybe they spot welded in place. If that's the case, then we need to grind right down and maybe try and peel it off. Only trouble there is, see, there's a bit of a weld there and there's a bit of a weld there. Just had the rag in my hand and it's gone. There it is, no problems. Whoa, whoa! I got a bit more oil coming out. So wow, the compressor, not sure where to go from here. Thought maybe I could grind out those welds. There's 1, 2, maybe here and here, but they're on the other side as well, so. And then maybe I could cut down there, but it's so thick, it's going to take me a while to cut. Now I'd have to do 2 cuts and still be in the same spot of bother with those things. So I'm not sure, there's a fair bit of effort required to get this thing apart. We'll let it sit there and drain all the oil and have a good think about it.